So today I want to do a look. Not sure what I want to do, but I do know that I want to use the Fenty Moroccan Spice palette. I have the new Fenty highlighter. I have the Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. And I have the Fenty Beauty Island Bling. But I don't know what I want to do yet. I'm gonna first start by priming my eyes with the Fenty eyeshadow primer. Let's see. We're gonna start with the more purpley brown on a MAC 217. And I think I'm gonna take this pretty high up. I'm just looking straight ahead and putting it right in my crease and blending it up into my brow bone. Okay, so then with the same MAC 217, I'm gonna take the dark matte purple and I'm gonna take that down on the outer V and then up into my crease here. There, I'm gonna take just a flat shadow brush and intensify the pigment of that purple. On the outer corner, and I'm going to take that same brush and just dust it off. I'm going to take the blue gray and put that all over the rest of the lid. I'm thinking heating up with that purple. I don't want to take it too far into the inner corner because I think I want to put a shimmer down. Then I'm going to take a MAC 221 with that same gray and tilt my head back and put this in the crease. What I want to do, the Minted Mojito, which looks like this, to I think I want to take just a bit. I'm gonna look straight. I have a little bit of a fold right here. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of a thinner angled brush with the Island Bling. I'm gonna take whatever's on the little doe foot, and I think I'm just gonna intensify the wing a little bit. Get it to a nice point. And take some more of that This is a Dior Skin Nude in the shade 22, which is a little pink for me. So I think I'm gonna mix some of my Drunk Elephant bronzing anti-pollution serum which has a lot of gold in it. Bring back some of that yellow, and it also gives you a little bit more luminosity. Just mix that together. Put it in the center of my face. I'm gonna take the Sephora Collection 99 brush. So since we use Dior foundation, it is rather suitable to use Dior concealer. The Dior Star Concealer in shade 1 and 2, because 2 has a little bit of a peachiness to it, to where I can just pop it right on the inner part of my eye where I have a little bit more blue and purple tones. Then I can go in with the number 1 and kind of lightly highlight. Go down my nose a little bit. Here we go. My Sephora Pro Mini 56.5 brush. Blend out that concealer. I like this concealer. My ears a little bit. Alright, face is done. Now, KatVonD translucent setting powder. It's your makeup and adds like a nice skin-like finish, especially if you have a bunch of products that are more glowy and you want to keep that glow in your skin. You don't want to go in with like the Laura Mercier, because it can mattify your skin a little bit too much. Oh, the Hola bronzer. I'm trying to use this sucker up. I'm trying to finish it, and it's taking me forever. But I'm just gonna lightly contour slash bronze with this one. Make a little blush and take the Tarte-paaarty blush and just kind of stamp it up along my cheek. Go in with the highlighters. I want to finish the eyes. I'm going to take that purpley color with the ColourPop E1, and I'm going to connect it on the outer corner. First transitions shade, and buff that purple into it and drag it along the lower lash line. I'm going to take Minted Mojito and go right in the corner. Is it Sandcastle? And I'm going to put this along, give that more bronze look. Right at the corner, I'm gonna put a bit of the Minted Mojito. Take the new Glitter Bomb, which is it Glitter Bomb? Diamond Bomb. And just press it into the highest parts of the cheekbone. Norvina palette, this base shade has been my favorite. There's some place where I want to highlight, but without something that's super shimmery, like my brow bone, or even like this eye. I feel like the eyeshadow is going a little bit lower. I can just take it and clean it right up. Anastasia Dipbrow in blonde. This I'm trying to finish up too. Got a nice little well in it. I like to start on my arch. And define my arch first, and then what is kind of left over I drag into my tail, and I lightly extend it, and then do the bad girl bang by Benefit. Here is the finished look. Alright, I hope you liked this tutorial. I am kind of trying things out. I don't know if I want a mirror over here or what I'm really doing, so I am trying to experiment with different things, but I do like how this eye look turned out. I do really like all of the Fenty stuff. I think what I'm gonna do later on is give like a month of things to do. Is I'm gonna have like a video dedicated to a certain amount of products that I want to use for the rest of the month, and then do a video once or twice a week to dedicate to certain things, because a lot of times I'll buy something and I'll use it 4 or 5 times and then it's kind of just sitting there. So I'll probably do a video with like a whole, like, not a monthly favorites, but like a monthly what to expect. So because a lot of times YouTubers, they go, oh, I got this palette, I'm gonna try this out once, but then like as a consumer, like we work hard and we want to know, like, is it worth it, am I going to use it? And so I think having like a month of dedicated stuff, like the Norvina palette, the Fenty palette, the new Fenty highlighters, they all came out within a certain amount of time. And so like if you have a whole month that you're going to use something and dedicate yourself to different like strategies of using it, I think that a lot of people can really honestly see like, oh yeah, I like how that looks, I like that I can do that and this with it, rather than, oh, here's one tutorial, oh, you like it, oh, okay. So like, and also it gets people motivated to use what they have. So I think I'm gonna do like a makeup and maybe some skincare, because I do have a lot of skincare as well. So look forward to seeing that soon. But thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.